No legitimate game can honestly claim to have zero payment issues reported. Every established platform occasionally handles delayed rewards, account verification questions, or support requests. The better question is which games have built a reputation for processing eligible redemptions consistently. By the end, you'll know 5 well-known reward games that continue operating in 2026, and what helps users avoid payout problems. The first game is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play rewards users for reaching milestones in supported mobile games. Your progress is tracked through the app, so it's a good idea to launch games directly from Rewarded Play and allow the required permissions. Following those steps helps your activity record correctly. The second game is Missed Play. Missed Play recommends Android games and rewards users for playing supported titles. To avoid missing rewards, keep the app updated and make sure you're playing games from your personal Missed Play library instead of installing them separately. The third game is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash offers skill-based competitions where available. Before entering paid competitions, verify that the game is supported in your location, and review the platform's eligibility requirements. Understanding those rules reduces surprises later. Now let's cover 2 more reliable options. The fourth game is Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash uses a similar skill-based competition model. Make sure your account information is accurate before requesting a redemption, especially if identity verification is required under the platform's policies. The fifth game is Bubble Cash. Bubble Cash rewards player performance in supported competitions. Reading the withdrawal instructions before you begin helps you understand how the redemption process works and what information you'll need. Here's the common pattern across every legitimate reward game. Most payout complaints happen because milestones weren't tracked correctly, account details didn't match, required verification wasn't completed, or players expected instant withdrawals without reviewing the published process. The easiest way to avoid those issues is to follow each app's instructions exactly. Install games through the reward platform when required, complete milestones as listed, keep screenshots of important progress, and check your reward history before contacting support. The biggest takeaway is that Rewarded Play, Missed Play, Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, and Bubble Cash all provide structured redemption systems for eligible users, but no platform can truthfully promise zero payment issues for every player. Reliable payouts come from meeting the platform's requirements and following the published rules. Your next step is to choose one game, read its redemption requirements before playing, and complete one successful withdrawal before trying additional reward games. If this guide helped you understand how to avoid payout problems, like the video and subscribe for more reward game reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.